Yo, what's up, guys? You know what? I just did a video for the weekly review stuff, and I came across the gold chart, and it looks very bullish. So at this point, I was like, let me take a look into this, right? A little bit more, and I did some digging. I believe gold is probably gonna move next week or within a month from now. I'll show you the thing. But if you disagree, let me know why. But at this point, I'm quite convinced. I mean, the technical wise, this is the daily chart, right? I mean, it's whole stable right here, right? It put in like a slight lower low, which could trap some people, but there wasn't a lot of volume, so it's insignificant. So basically, double bottom right here, and if it move above this level, okay, if there any short, they might have to cover, right? And then new buy gonna come in at this level, so that's gonna push the gold price up. Uh, okay, so that's the theory, right? And then also let's take a weekly. Let's look cleaner too. So right now we are targeting back up to maybe 195 all-time high, I believe, for gold. So I mean, the setup right now it's still very bullish, and look at the volume come in here, right? At that time, so just the volume itself could also say like it's not a regular, like that day is like around 45, 50 million, 47 million share traded on that day, this day here. So I mean, is the volume participation on the up move is really high. So I mean, the chance of it continue is high, and then the pullback depending where you put it. If you put the pullback from all the way here, that's probably about 50 to 61% pullback, right, from this bottom right here. So I mean, it's very bullish, and it stayed right at the 50 days moving average, right? And then with this, just by itself, gold, the thing is, right, if you look at the UUP, which is the dollar, right, the dollar is moving up. When the dollar move up, gold is supposed to go down, right? But gold doesn't. It stays it's stuck at that level, right? And then another thing, the bond yield, the bond price. Okay, so the bond price has been going down, which interest that mean interest rate is going up, right? And that means the bond yield is going up, right? So usually they have the inverse correlation with gold, right? Right, bond yield, bond price going down, increase in yield, right? But yet, right, you see that, but yet gold holds steady. So that's very bullish, right? At this point, like if anything, dollars up, gold should move down. Yield, bond yield is up, gold should move down. But I guess because we are just starting to increase rate, it really doesn't matter much to the gold at this point. That's why it's held at level at this point. So right now, that to me is very bullish. And then next week we have the CPI coming Tuesday. I mean, that the inflation, right? So if that coming, I mean, it's right now consensus is 8.5, which is the freaking like high. Okay, so I mean, if it even just meet, it doesn't have to beat the consensus. Just meet the consensus is still high. So that inflation wise, and that could still give the boost for gold. Okay, so that's all these cases here is like we have a catalyst, and then we have like a diversion between gold, US dollar, and bond yield. And then I look into this, I'm like, why don't I check the option market, right? So last week, on Friday, this is last week on Friday, and this is expiration next week, right? On the 14th. Check this shit out. At 188 level right here, 12,000 share was traded. 188. So around here. So next week, that 12,000 contract were traded. That's going to hit 88. And check this out, 82, which is like close. by next week. Well, very close to where it is right now. But like, you know, someone willing to buy 12,000 contract here. Well, and then the open interest for this is 24,000. So usually you see like a lot of high volume and low interest, right? But we see like this open interest here is really high. So that means someone is holding. And check out the 182 level here. Like there's 30,000 contract. I mean, the open interest is not really significant because you can't really tell much from it. But still, look at the open interest here at certain level, $85 level. That's 30,000 contract holding right there. I look at these shit. I was holy fuck. You know why they are so much? This is by next week ending April 14, right? And then at $87 level, there's another 26,000 level. And then on Friday, I already say it's 12,000 that traded, and then 24 on hold. So I was like, okay, so that's next week. How about we go up to, excuse me, we go up to May 20th. That's the next month option, right? And then let me see here. Let's go up to 250. So we have a wire range here. Right, look at the open interest here at 200 level. There's a 26,000 share traded, and then you know there 2,000 share traded on Friday. All right, there is another 20,000 around open interest here at 195. Oh crap! What the news? And then check this out, 190. Which is in this frame right here. 15,000, nearly 15,000 shares were traded on Friday. Okay, and then the open interest here, there's another 18,000 open interest. All right, and then we have, look at all these open interests on last week trade. Look, it's significant, 189. And then, well, this one is crazy, it's already in the money. And then the 5,000 shares were traded too in the money on Friday. So just look at the option prices, the chain itself. Like people are betting on this shit. How about we go furthermore? Go to 250. I don't think it's gonna go above 250, but I could be wrong. You know, look at open interest for 250, 14,000, but 95 traded, so that's insignificant in some way. Last week on Friday, look at open interest here at 190. 190, nearly 40,000, like 39,000 open interest here, and then 254,000 interest. Okay, that's on June 17. Call. So this shit is crazy. And then I decided to go July. Go to 250. Not a lot traded on Friday. And open interest is not a lot. Alright, so in June, July, there's nothing. And this one is okay. So September, holy shit, 119. Look at this, 255, 119, 1,000 contract, 235. 142,000 contract. This is by September. Holy crap. 35,000, 214. And these things are expensive, like $2 something. Oh wow, bruh. Are we seeing something we're not supposed to see here? Let's check this out on December. Go to the max. 280 is the max. Okay, so open interest is not that high here. Yeah, so a lot of people are pricing in by September 16. Holy shit. Yeah, this open interest is crazy. This is huge level, like 140,000, 120,000. Holy crap, bro. So anyway, guys, I'm not sure what these stats saying, to be honest, but at this point right now, the setup, the technical setup is that okay, something wrong with my thing now. Like the technical setup is there, and right now, even though the dollar's up, gold still holds stable, and then bond yield, interest rate is up, which should drive gold down, right? But it's not. It's still hold up, and then look at the option market. It's pricing in something here really high, and throughout September. So at this point, I think this is definitely definitely a play within the next week, or until June, until May. If you want to play the shorter time frame, and then if you want to play a longer time frame, it's going to be September. So, yo, I'm gonna definitely do something about Monday. Or you could play the gold miner. I haven't looked into it yet, but I probably will after this. I'm just like kind of get excited a little bit here. So anyway, guys, that's a possible play. Tell me, hey, put it in the comment section. Let me know. Am I wrong or am I right? And if you're gonna play, what level you're gonna play? What straight price you're gonna play? All right, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck. Bye.